First off, we'll be speaking with Steinar Wikolt. He'll let us know what will be happening this week, and you'll also be hearing from a few other students from the different study groups here at USN who are part of arranging the different activities this week. But first, Steinar, why are we doing this and why is this important?
Why we're doing International University Week. It's one of those things that each year we have the possibility for students to travel around Europe to meet other students. So that's actually the most important things, that you students are meeting other students, because a lot of conferences and this kind of university stuff is a lot of the staff traveling, but this way we want to focus on the students. So the slogan of SOCNET 98 is students meeting students and teachers meeting teachers. The students are first. So the most important thing is that you students are meeting other students in social work.
Why do you think this is important?
It's simply just important because when we're working as a social worker in your own country, you are kind of having this view on social work only from your own perspective or the country and the culture that you're coming from. But by simply meeting other students that is studying somewhat of the same thing that you're doing yourself, you will get a new perspective on what you're learning and doing back in your own country by simply comparing and getting to know other students.
Yeah. What is the reason to why activities in social work is a theme this week, and why do you think it is important and relevant?
The reason why we have activities and social work here in Porsgrunn is that our social workers, both barnevern and vernepleie, the two different kind of bachelor degrees that we have here in social work, all of the students that are taking the bachelor degree here will early on have lectures, activities as a part of their curriculum when they are taking their bachelor degrees. So we would kind of say if we have a focus here in Porsgrunn in the two bachelor degrees, it would be on activities and why it is important as a social worker. Because a lot of when you're working with different kind of people, being with them, doing activities, it's a way of getting to know people, a way to make relations. And yes, I think it's a just fundamental thing of being a social worker, being able to use activities as a part of that.
Yeah, and there will be a lot of different activities during this week, but also some lectures. Who are the different lecturers and what will they be speaking about this week?
Yeah, on Monday we will have two keynotes, so I'm looking forward to. They will also be streamed online, so that is great for the students that is not able to come to Porsgrunn. And also on Thursday and Wednesday we will have 10 different kind of workshops. So the workshops will be held by faculty staff that is traveling with the students, and also by our own staff, and also by some people that is living nearby in Porsgrunn that will talk about activities and social work.
Great. And then lastly, how do you think the students' overall experience will be, and what can they expect from this week?
I think that at least what you're going to experience is a little bit of being outside, being in nature, and I think also I'm hoping that all the students will get new friends to connect with you Norwegian students, and also connect to the different other students coming from all around Europe.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Anja.
And what do you study?
I study vernepleie.
And how many are there in your group?
We are 7 people, 6 girls and 1 boy.
What are your tasks you're doing this week?
We have a task to greet all the foreign students at the train station when they arrive on Sunday.
Okay, and how will the students know who to turn to when they arrive in Porsgrunn?
We plan on being very visible at the train station, so I hope you find us.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Vivian.
What do you study?
I study vernepleie in Porsgrunn.
How many are there in your group?
We are 11 students in my group.
And what are your tasks during this week?
Our tasks are to make afternoon and evening activities. So we will begin the activities on Monday, April 25th, after the lecture. And then there will be an hour with many different activities, and we have worked really hard on making this good, so I really hope that you will join us.
We probably will.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Carl. Pleased to meet you guys.
And what do you study?
I am currently studying second year vernepleie. You guys will learn more what vernepleie means.
How many are there in your group?
In my group, there are 7 people.
7 people. And what are your tasks during this week?
During this week, our task is to create the pre-party. So on the 26th of April, you guys are going to go have fun at the Studentfabrik. But before that, at around, what time, 6 o'clock? At 6 o'clock, we are going to provide some activity for you guys so that you can get to know each other a bit better. Just have some casual fun for roughly an hour.
Yeah. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sondre.
Your name is Sondre. What do you study?
I study vernepleie.
How many are there in your group?
In our group, it's at the moment a total of, I think, about 20 people. Yeah.
And what are your tasks during this week?
Yeah, so our task during this week is when you're going on the hammock ride or the hammock trip, we're gonna host some fun activities such as fishing, canoe, I believe that is the word. And also we got some yoga and meditation activities, just reach full zen state and everything. So that's gonna be good. And yeah, we also have a few other surprises. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Nice. Now you've heard a bit from the different groups and what they're planning to do. We hope you have a great week and welcome to Porsgrunn.